Today we talk about how can you enable show classrooms on your Score Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on timetable and calendar, you just click on it. So then you come to this list here, come here to show classrooms. So then you click here in this sign here, just click on it. So sorry, so you click here in this sign here. That like you see this color show for us, that's mean show classrooms, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.